When you look up at the night sky, what do you see? Tiny dots of light scattered across a vast, dark canvas. To many people, they are simply stars, beautiful, distant, and unreachable. But if you pause for a moment, if you truly reflect, you will realize that you are not just looking at stars. You are looking at time, history, and the deepest mysteries of existence. Astronomy, the study of celestial bodies and the universe, is not just science. It is a journey into our origin, our purpose, and our place within an endless creation. The Quran directs humanity to look to the heavens, not as decoration, but as signs. In Surah Al-Mulk 67:3-4, it says, "It is He who created the seven heavens in layers. You do not see in the creation of the Most Merciful any inconsistency. So return your vision to the sky. Do you see any breaks? Then return your vision twice again. Your vision will return to you humbled and fatigued." This verse captures the essence of astronomy. The more you study the sky, the more you are humbled. The universe is vast beyond imagination, yet governed by laws of precision and balance. Let's reflect on what modern astronomy has uncovered. Our Earth orbits around the Sun, which itself is only one star among an estimated 200 billion in the Milky Way galaxy. And our galaxy is only one among perhaps 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Distances are measured not in kilometers, but in light years. Light, traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second, takes over 100,000 years just to cross the Milky Way. And yet, the Quran tells us in Surah Al-Baqarah 2:164, "Indeed, in the creation of the heavens and the earth, and the alternation of the night and the day, are signs for a people who reason." This call to reason, to reflect, is exactly what astronomy inspires. Now think about celestial bodies. Stars are not just points of light. They are nuclear furnaces, burning hydrogen into helium, releasing energy that gives life to planets around them. Without our sun, there would be no warmth, no photosynthesis, no life. And yet, the sun itself is just an average star, one among billions. Then there are planets. Some, like ours, teeming with life and water. Others, like Mars, cold and barren. Some, like Jupiter, massive gas giants with storms larger than Earth itself. Each planet follows a precise orbit, held in place by gravity, never colliding, never drifting away randomly. This order is what the Quran highlights in Surah Al-Anbiya 21:33. "And it is He who created the night and the day and the sun and the moon. All in an orbit are swimming." This is orbital mechanics, the very principle that keeps the solar system in balance. Centuries later, Newton would describe gravity, and Einstein would refine it through relativity. But the essence, that every celestial body moves in harmony, was already revealed. And beyond planets are galaxies, nebulae, black holes, and the cosmic web that ties the universe together. Nebulae are clouds of gas and dust, the nurseries of stars. Black holes are regions of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. These realities stretch human imagination, yet they follow laws, not chaos. Astronomy also tells us about beginnings. Modern science describes the universe as having started with the Big Bang, an expansion from a single point of unimaginable density and energy. The Quran alludes to this in Surah Al-Anbiya 21:30. "Have those who disbelieved not considered that the heavens and the earth were a joined entity, and we separated them and made from water every living thing? Then will they not believe?" The idea of the universe beginning as one, then splitting apart, resonates deeply with modern cosmology. And then there is the fine-tuning of the universe. If gravity were slightly weaker, galaxies and stars could not form. If it were slightly stronger, the universe would collapse. If the distance between Earth and the Sun were off by just a small percentage, life would not be possible. The balance is razor-thin, yet perfectly maintained. This is what Surah Ar-Rahman 55:7-8 means when it says, "And the heaven he raised and imposed the balance, that you not transgress within the balance." Astronomy also gives us perspective. On a cosmic scale, Earth is tiny, almost invisible. Yet within this small planet exists an entire world of life, thought, and meaning. This dual reality, that we are insignificant in size but significant in purpose, is one of the greatest lessons astronomy teaches. And finally, the night sky inspires awe. Throughout history, humans have looked to the stars for guidance, navigation, and wonder. Even today, astronauts who see Earth from space describe it as life-changing, realizing how fragile and unified our world really is. This awe is not accidental. It is meant to awaken reflection. So, what does astronomy tell us? That the universe is vast, precise, and purposeful. That celestial bodies are not random, but signs. That the same laws governing galaxies govern atoms, linking the grand with the small. And that behind this magnificent order is wisdom. The next time you look at the night sky, do not just see stars. See stories of creation, cycles of energy, and signs of order. See the heavens not as empty space, but as a grand reminder. A reminder that while we are small in size, we are great in responsibility. A reminder that the universe is not just a backdrop, but a message. Astronomy, at its heart, is not just about studying the universe. It is about understanding our place within it. And when we understand that place, we realize that every star above is not just light. It is guidance.